Chandler Tenney here with Keystone RV, District Sales Manager for the Passport Division. I'm standing here with Richard Kerr from the Points Guy. Richard is interested in getting into the RV market, and I would like to show him some features here on our new 219 BH.
2020 is the year of camping, Chandler. Let's prove to me why this is the RV for me.
Well, first up, everybody loves entertaining outside, so I'd love to show you, we got a nice little sprayer port here so you can wash off your dishes on your outside camp kitchen, as well as a 2-burner range. So if you want to cook some eggs or bacon, you can keep all the smell outside, if you will. And then you have a nice fridge here for your outside beverages.
Lots and lots of cans of 12-ounce curls, right? That's what that's for?
That's all it'll work with.
Perfect. All right, man, I come around the back, see this spare tire, but what is this crazy door that doesn't have a window on the back?
Good thing you asked. This is our new pack and play door. This is going to give you an industry-leading 75 cubic feet of additional storage. Just simply lift this bunk up. Now you have room for bicycles, firewood, large coolers, whatever you want.
But no fires in the trailer, right?
No fires in the trailer.
All right, I'll remember that. Chandler, I like the new decals, but something's missing. I'm used to having a lot of connections right here. Where have they gone? There's nothing there.
We took all the connections off the exterior of the unit and moved them inside the pass-through right here into your exterior convenience center. In here is where you'll find your city water connections, your exterior shower, your Key TV, which is a Keystone exclusive product, as well as your electric stabilizer jack buttons to run those up and down. We also have an electric tongue jack on the front of the unit, as well as an electric awning, which will give you full power capability on those, making setup a breeze.
You guys should call this a 7-Eleven trailer. It's a one-stop shop. Oh, nice. This does not look like a traditional RV interior that I've always seen.
A lot going on in small space in this new 219 BH. I'd like to show you some of the features that we've added here recently, starting with our new Arctic teak cabinetry, as well as a Euro handles. You remember that little door I showed you from the outside?
Do you? Yep.
This is what it looks like from the inside. So you simply just pull this up right here, reach back here, flip the latch, and now you have all this additional space.
Got a 4- and a 5-year-old, man. I need lots of storage.
Well, this has got it.
So we got redesigned interior here, lots of storage space. I see where my kids are going to sleep. Where are my wife and I going to sleep?
Well, let me show you. This Jackknife Sofa right here, simply lift it up, it lays down flat, come up here, flip a couple latches on each side, and voila, a 60 by 80 queen bed.
Nice looking bathroom. What's new this year in the Passport, Chandler?
This year we've gotten away from your traditional tub shower combo and switched over to a residential shower. Right here we have a nice roller curtain as well, so you have the full width to be able to get in there.
We're both pretty tall guys. It looks like I can stand there without even hitting my head.
Absolutely, the skylight will also help with that. This floor plan has been completely redesigned. This year we've added a ton of additional storage. This is new with new dinette drawers underneath each dinette base, as well as this side. We also have a bank of 4 drawers right here, additional storage under the stove, and 2 additional drawers back here. So Richard, what do you think?
Great redesign on the interior, lots of space. I think my 4- or 5-year-old and my wife will have a great time in this Passport.
We appreciate the feedback, and I think your family would really love this. For more information on this unit, please check out our website at keystonerv.com. And thanks for joining us, Richard.
My pleasure.